Hey everyone, it's Jen. Today I'm going to do a layout using the Planner Society January kits. And I'm going to use this cut file that I have, and I'm going to do a 12 by 12 layout. And right now I cut out my picture. It's a picture of my kids. And they were just playing, so it's really hard to get a picture of the three of them together because they're not always looking at the camera or smiling. But I thought this was a really cute and fun picture. Um, so yeah, it was pretty recent. And I'm just going to pick some of the 12 by 12 double-sided papers, and I'm going to look at the different patterns that I like, and I'm going to try to find some to go behind the cut file, and then I'm just going to cut those pieces out and then glue that together. I don't record the whole process because it's pretty redundant and you guys can obviously see what I'm doing. So yeah, I edited that out. And I'm going to just go ahead and switch the music on. And I hope you guys enjoyed this process video. You guys can sign up for the Planner Society kits anytime between the 2nd and the 14th of the month. And I will leave a link below to scarletlime.com so you can sign up there. And let me know if you guys have any questions. I have some more photos on my Instagram. I'm jenxoplans. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks. Bye.